Today we are going to cover the topic that is database management system. Already we have started this chapter in our practical classes and almost half of the chapter we have covered. Now we will move ahead from whatever we have completed. Right. Now we have already learned. We have learned how to create tables in design view. Now after that, next topic is creating and editing relationships. Now a new term is used here, that is relationship. Means relationship, if we want to use another term for this, that is link. Means if in any of the database we have created more than one table, there can be something common in between those two tables. So that common link between those two tables, with the help of that link we can create relationship between those two tables.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Don't disturb in between. Okay. Now we are talking about relationship. What is relationship? It refers to a linking, or you can call it connection, between two or more than two tables. When you relate these two tables or more than two tables, you don't need to enter any separate data in separate tables. Now if we talk about relationship, how many types are there and what are they, हम कैसे समझें that relationship can be there or cannot be there, how that can be learnt. Now we will learn relationship one by one. First relationship is 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means one column of one table is exactly same as one column of another table. For example, if you see that these are example I am giving you here, one table I am assuming company cards, another table I am assuming employees. These are the columns which are in my tables. Here you can see that car ID is the column which is available in both the tables. ये common है दोनों में. So this can be the connection between both the tables. We can link these two tables with the help of this car ID column. Here you can see a line we have taken from this car ID of this table to this car ID of this table. This type of relationship or linking is called one-to-one relationship. In your exam, it can be asked that how many types of relationships are there or explain one-to-one. So it is the best example for one-to-one relationship. ठीक है? In this relationship, both the tables must have primary key columns. Means here you can see in this table this is the primary key and in this table this is the primary key. Fine, but one column must be common. दोनों में वो column होना चाहिए. Only then we can create one-to-one relationship. After that, next is one-to-many relationship. As it is very much clear from the name कि वन इज लिंक्ड विद मैनी. एक टेबल का वन कॉलम और दूसरी टेबल के मैनी कॉलम्स. इफ दे आर लिंक्ड विद ईच अदर, दैट रिलेशनशिप इज कॉल्ड वन टू मैनी. अगर हम एक एग्जांपल अपनी जनरल लाइफ में देखें, वी ऑल यूज टू डू ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. एवरी शॉपिंग अकाउंट ऑन मे बी ऑन अमेजन, मे बी ऑन फ्लिपकार्ट, दे आर प्रोवाइडेड अ कस्टमर आईडी. एक कस्टमर को एक कस्टमर आईडी फॉर लाइफ टाइम. एवरी अकाउंट इज प्रोवाइडेड अ कस्टमर आईडी. नाउ सपोज आई एम द कस्टमर ऑफ अमेजन, आई एम हैविंग अ कस्टमर आईडी. तो टुडे इफ आई ऑर्डर 4 or 5 आइटम्स अलग अलग करके 4 या 5 ऑर्डर, टुडे आई प्लेस द ऑर्डर्स, राइट. तो कस्टमर आईडी विल बी सेम फॉर ऑल द 4 or 5 ऑर्डर्स, बट the order ID will be changed for every order. समझ रहे हैं? कस्टमर तो मैं ही हूँ, बट मेरे ऑर्डर कितने हो गए, 4 या 5, जितने भी मैं ऑर्डर प्लेस करूँ. तो इट मीन्स इट इज वन टू मैनी. एक कस्टमर का लिंक, एक कस्टमर का रिलेशन with 4 or 5 different orders. This relationship is called one to many relationship. Fine. This is the best example to give to understand the one to many relationship. Now, third one and the last relationship is many to many relationship. In this relationship, what happens? We have more than 2 tables. It may be 5, it may be 6, it may be 3, right? In this, all the tables may be having one or the other common columns. Means वो column हो सकता है first में है, फिर third में है, second table में है, फिर fourth table में है. Means there is a mashup. ठीक है, बहुत ही confusing relationship it is because many की relationship many के साथ बहुत सारी tables are there. We are using more than 2 tables and more than 2 tables are having more than 1 columns to relate with each other. For example, if you can see I have in my example I am showing you 3 tables. First table is students, second table is enrollment, third table is classes. Now look here you can see in student and enrollment दोनों में student ID column is common, right? तो with this student ID column we can link between these two. ठीक है, ये कौन सा रिलेशनशिप हुआ? 1 to 1. एक टेबल से 1 और दूसरी टेबल से भी 1. दिस इज कॉल्ड 1 to 1 रिलेशनशिप. फाइन. नाउ आगे चलते हैं. नाउ हेयर यू कैन सी एनरोलमेंट एंड क्लासेस, दीज 2 tables, but in these 2 tables we can see that class ID column is common. Enrollment में भी class ID is there and in classes table there is also class ID. तो here also we can link this. Fine. So here we can see this table is also related with this table and this is also related with this table. तो a total mashup, ये तो मैंने छोटा सा example लिया of 3 tables. Suppose if there are 8 to 10 tables, definitely it will be a mashup and it will be very difficult to handle. This type of relationship where more than 2 tables are included और किसी टेबल का किसी से लिंक अप, किसी का किसी से लिंक अप थ्रू द कॉमन कॉलम्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड मैनी टू मैनी रिलेशनशिप. नाउ आगे चलते हैं. आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक फॉर टुडे इज डेटाबेस क्वेरी. क्वेरी एक नया वर्ड आया है, क्वेरी. क्वेरी अगर हम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के हिसाब से बात करें, क्वेरी इज व्हाट? क्वेरी मीन्स अ क्वेश्चन. सपोज मैं आप लोगों से पूछूं बेटा डू यू हैव एनी क्वेरी. क्वेरी का मतलब आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है. डू यू वांट टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक, दैट इज द क्वेरी. द सेम थॉट, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट इज यूज्ड हेयर. हेयर वी आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द टेबल, वट एवर द टेबल वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड. हमने सीखी है ना टेबल बनानी. फ्रॉम दैट टेबल इफ वी वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट सम पर्टिकुलर डाटा बेस्ड ऑन मे बी मुझे पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट के मार्क्स चाहिए, मे बी फॉर पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट असेंडिंग ऑर्डर डिटेल्स आई वांट, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर डिटेल्स आई वांट, और पर्टिकुलर क्राइटेरिया पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन पे आई वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द डाटा. ऑल दैट क्वेश्चंस आई कैन सॉर्ट आउट यूजिंग द query. Now today we will learn how to create query in design view. बड़े ध्यान से समझेंगे. in the exam it can be asked main points that how you can create the query in design view. Here you can see the first step is open the query window in design view. Second is add your tables, means on which tables you want to put questions, put queries. Then third one is what you want to see. उन tables के कौन सी column आपने देखने हैं, what you want to see, right? Then step 4 is what conditions you want to put. For example मैंने बोला मुझे marks ascending order में देखने हैं और descending order में देखने हैं. All that is criteria. Criteria means particular specific conditions. Then next is save and close the query. Means after that हमने tables add कर ली, हमने criteria add कर ली, everything we have done. In the last we will save and close the query. Now let's try it I am opening the base. See, I have already created a database named new database. It's just opening. Yes, here you can see on this window we have already worked in our lab in our practical periods. Here you can see these are the 4 tabs: table, queries, forms and reports. बड़े ध्यान से समझेंगे. In the exam this can be asked, what are the 4 different tabs available in OpenOffice base or in database. Fine. So you should know that there are 4: table, queries, forms and reports. In tables we have already worked practically. We have created table using these 2 options, design view and table through the wizard. Here you can see already I have created here 2 tables. To save your time I am just showing it. एक sample data मैंने यहाँ डाला हुआ है. And let me add more. थोड़ा सा और add कर लेते हैं. Here I am adding five rows I have added. Yes, now I am saving it. It's my table 1 and here you can see it's my table 2. Fine. Usi means in table 1 and table 2 you can see roll number column is available in both the tables. That I am doing here. Let me do it. Only 3. हम इसी से काम चलाएंगे. Yes, 2 tables we have done. Now the new topic which we have started today, that is queries. Queries done. हमने पहले टेबल पे काम क्यों किया? Because for putting the questions, for putting the queries we need tables. Tables में से ही तो हम डाटा निकालेंगे, right? So that's why table should be there for the queries. Now we have our 2 tables ready with us. Now we are moving to queries. I have clicked on query and very first option we will try, that is create query in design view. Just click on this. Here you can see when we click on this create query using design view option, this window opens. In this window you can see as many tables you have created. जितने भी table आपने बनाई हैं यहाँ पर, all will be visible here. Table 1 we have created and table 2 we have created. That's why these 2 are there. From which table you want to question, means you want to query. कौन सी table पे query बनानी है? Suppose I want to create on table 1, then click on table 1 and add. Now you can see table 1 is added. Data is not visible. Only the column names of your table is visible here. Right? Now what we will do, what is your query? पहले question पता होना चाहिए. Suppose I want to see class in ascending order with roll number wise. Fine. चलिए let's do. First of all click on roll number. Means मुझे 2 चीज़ लेनी पड़ेंगी, roll number and class. Click on roll number. Just click and drag and leave here. Again I am showing you. Click on the field which you want. Don't leave your mouse button and drag. First column हमने यहाँ place किया. Second we are placing next. अगर third भी लेना है you can drag and place next. Right? Done. Now what it is asking, alias. Alias means ये roll number नाम दिखाने की बजाय आप कुछ और नाम show करना चाह रहे हैं. This roll number if you don't want to display in your query, then suppose yes, roll number I don't like, I want to show it, what should I write? Enrollment number. Enrollment number. This I want to show it. Right? And instead of class I want to show level. Now so in sorting I want to show the class in descending order. What I did, sort वाले column में in class column just click and you will get 2 options, not sorted, ascending and descending. I want descending, so that's why I have clicked on descending. ये छोटा सा example I am showing you. right? Now it's done. Now save your query. Here you can see this save button is there. Just click on this save button. Now it will ask for giving a name to your query. Query 1 is already written. मुझे यही रखना है. I don't want to change. That's your choice. You can change it. Okay? Okay किया हमने. Done. कोई change नहीं हुआ अभी तक. Close it. This is how you can create the query. अब क्वेश्चन आता है, मैम दिखा तो है ही नहीं हमें असेंडिंग ऑर्डर या डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. फॉर दैट here you can see query 1 is ready. Just double click on this and what you see, क्या दिख रहा है भाई? We can see that roll number, in place of roll number we can see enrollment number, and in place of class we can see level, and class को हमने क्या किया है, हमने descending order place किया है. देखो ये फिफ्थ वाला नहीं हुआ है, समथिंग रॉन्ग, आई थिंक इट हैड गॉन. लेट मी एडिट इट. चेक करते हैं हम. ओहो यहाँ सॉर्टिंग आया ही नहीं बेटा, राइट? लेट्स सी होता है कि नहीं. ये नॉट सॉर्टेड, ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता ये नॉट सॉर्टेड हो. इसको डिलीट करते हैं. क्लास को डिसेंडिंग लगाया हमने, राइट? देखते हैं इट विल हैपन और नॉट. No, it's not happening. Something wrong. I think it had gone. It's not accepting. You can see that in the sorting, it's not shown. Whatever we have selected here, it's not selecting. Let me check it out again. No. Edit. Yes. It's not accepting. It can happen due to the version differences. अगर यहाँ पर आपका sorted लिखा हुआ दिख रहा है ना, then definitely it will show that. Otherwise, I think this level and criteria, all that is clear. अगर यहाँ पर maybe some software issue can be there, because I can see that हम sorted 4 बार select कर चुके हैं, but that's not acceptable here. Fine. So that software issue can be there. This is how we can create the query, and it can be viewed by double clicking here, right? Now next one is, here query we have done. Next is forms in base. हमने first button table we have done, second button query we have done. Now third button was there, that is forms. Now we will do forms. In general, what is form? Suppose we are applying for admission anywhere, or we are applying for any job. Everywhere we are given the forms to fill. That form can be on a paper or that form can be online, right? In both the criteria, particular form is to be filled. What is that form? That form is what? That can be printed or online with blank spaces where our particular specific details are asked to be filled. हमारी डिटेल्स ही मांगते हैं ना, फॉर डाटा एंट्री. अ फॉर्म इज फ्रंट एंड फॉर डाटा एंट्री. मीन्स डाटा व्हाट? रिलेटेड डाटा, चाहे हमारा नाम पूछे, डेट ऑफ बर्थ पूछे, वट एवर द रिलेटेड फॉर्म इज देयर, रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन दे आर आस्क्ड. अ सिंपल फॉर्म कंसिस्ट ऑफ फील्ड्स फ्रॉम अ टेबल. जैसे टेबल बनती है, नेम, क्लास, रोल नंबर, फादर नेम, मदर नेम, ऑल दैट. इन दैट वे फॉर्म इज क्रिएटेड. नेम, देन बॉक्स, class, then box, father name, then box. That can be the pattern, right? So that is form. How it can be created? Let's learn how it can be created. Now we are moving to third button. Here already I have created, but let's create our own new one. For that we have to click on form button. Then here is the first option, create form in design view. Just click on that. Now this window opens. This window is simply, you can think in your mind like you are painting. MS Paint में काम किया है. There we draw circles, we draw rectangles, we draw squares, straight lines. This is like that. Means आपने अपना फॉर्म खुद डिज़ाइन करना है. For example, सपोज आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट अ फॉर्म जिसमें वो आपसे आपका नाम, आपका क्लास और आपका फादर नेम पूछे. 3 चीज़ ले रहे हैं हम, नेम, क्लास एंड फादर नेम, एक ऐसा छोटा सा फॉर्म बनाएंगे, ठीक है। चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट। हेयर यू कैन सी दिस इज द टूल बॉक्स, जैसे पेंट में टूल बॉक्स होता है। लेक बेटा म्यूट योर सेल्फ। हाँ जी, दिस इज द टूल बॉक्स फॉर क्रिएटिंग द फॉर्म। इन दिस व्हाट यू कैन सी, different tools are there. Whenever we take our mouse to every tool, उसका नाम you can read out from there. Here you can see checkbox, text box, formatted field, button, radio button, list box, combo box, label. All these tools are there. These are those tools which are required for what? Which are required for creating the form. Here we have seen that tools are there, different tools are there for the form creation. Now we want to have a title for our form. For that just click on this label. This is the label, right? जैसे you will click on this, you can see your mouse pointer is now like plus sign, जैसे पेंट बॉक्स में होता है. In the same way just click and drag. This is the title we want to give. Fine, but you can see label field is written. हमें नहीं चाहिए, मुझे तो लिखना है my form. ये title I want to give. What you want? For that, what you will do? Double click here. Is in this box, anywhere you can double click. Then you can see this property window is there. In this property window, you can see name. This name is for system. Means for your computer use this name is given. You can change it or you can keep it as it is. इससे हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. Right? Now next one is label. This is the name which is visible to public. जब आपका फॉर्म कोई देखेगा, this name will be visible. This I want to change. Let's see. हमने लिखा my first form. Right? Now just close it and what you can see, this is here my first form. अब साइज छोटा है, that's again double click and in this here यहाँ से you can font and all that you can change it out. Font लिखा हुआ है, from here you can increase or decrease the size whatever you want and cross it. Done. Whatever the style you can give. बटन यूज करना आ गया, प्रॉपर्टी बॉक्स से प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करना आ गया. अब हमने तीन चीज डालने की डिसाइड की थी, नेम, फादर नेम एंड क्लास. लेट्स सी. अब सबसे पहले फॉर्म में क्या होता है, नेम लिखा होगा, देन एक बॉक्स विल बी देयर फॉर एंट्री. फॉर दैट नेम अगेन वी विल टेकिंग लेबल, जस्ट ड्रॉ इट, अगेन डबल क्लिक फॉर द प्रॉपर्टीज और एट द सेकेंड नंबर नाउ वी विल चेंज name, cross it, name is visible. Now we want to give a box for typing, जहाँ पर user will type the name. For that text box, search it out, कहीं पर है text box. This is the text box. Click on this and in front of name draw it. Yes, done. बन गया छोटा सा फॉर्म सैम्पल. Again class I want, label, drag it, double click for properties and change the name what you want. I want class, close it. Same text box should be there for
bye ma'am.
Text box should be there for the class entry. In the same way father name and text box you can take it out. This is how you can create the form. Easiest way. Now after creation whatever you want to create you can create and just click on save. After saving it will ask for the name. If you want to change you can, otherwise save it and then close it. Right? Now what we can see here, you can see that form 2 is there. This we have created. When you will double click on this, here you can see that this is how your form will be visible to public. Clear? This is how the form will be created. Now next one is form we have done. आवर लास्ट टॉपिक फॉर टुडे इज क्रिएटिंग रिपोर्ट्स. रिपोर्ट का मतलब हम सब समझते हैं, इट्स अ पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट फॉर प्रेजेंटिंग एनी इंफॉर्मेशन. कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन हो, इफ दैट इज प्लेस्ड इन प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट इन द प्रिंटेड वे, दैट इज कॉल्ड reports. Fine. So that we can create reports in base also. For that, let's again get back to reports. This is the last button here. Just click here, and what you will do here, you can see use wizard to create reports. Just click on this. As you click, it will take 1 or 2 seconds to move to the next window. Yes, here we are. Now again I have told you that for queries we need already created tables. अगर table बनी होंगी उन्हीं पे we can put on queries. In the same way, if tables are already created or queries are created, on that only we can create the report. कोई data होगा उसी की report present होगी ना, तो that's what I am saying. Here you can see tables or queries. From here you can select the table 1 or table 2, whatever you want. Suppose I want table 1, click on table 1. Here all the columns are visible of table 1. Whatever you want to get in your report, जो भी column चाहिए अपनी report के, click on that column and put on this arrow. जो whatever the field will be visible here, यहाँ जो दिखेगा आपको, that will be in your report. Suppose I want all, तो ये double arrows are there. Just click on that. All the fields will be included in your report. Now next button. Here again it is asking कि these are the field name. Do you want to present same to same in your report or you want to change? Suppose I want to change. एक change कर देते हैं, पता चले it is getting changed or not. Enrollment number. Right? It's quite optional. You can keep it as it is. Next. Now, do you want to add grouping level? Right now we don't want. Put next. Now it is asking any ascending or descending you want. If you want any descending or ascending, suppose class wise you want to ascend or descend, then you can choose. But right now हम simple report, we are learning how to create simple report. Next we can put. After putting on next, it is asking that layout of your header and footer. We can change it as per our choice, but right now default option we will be following. And here you can see orientation of reporting, portrait or landscape. These are the two formats of reports. Look at the back here. If we click on portrait, your report will be the lengthwise page. And if we click on landscape, your report will be in the widthwise layout. Look, again I am doing, this is the portrait mode, see at the back, and this is the landscape mode. Right? Now next, title of your report, any title you want to give, let's do it my report. I am doing my report. Then here two types of reports are there, static report and dynamic report. You should know that what is these are. It can be asked in the exam that static report always remains same and dynamic report always keep on changing. ये difference पता होना चाहिए. Static report is which always remains same, maybe 6 महीने में हो, साल में हो, always it is same. And dynamic means which keep on changing, that is dynamic report. Now next is, here you can see create report now and modify report layout. Means I want to change the presentation of my report. That's quite your choice. हम change कर सकते हैं. We just click on modify report layout and finish. As you will click on finish, here you can see this layout is there, but you can see this is not ours data. हमने तो ये data fill ही नहीं किया. Yes, it's not our data. It is just for setting the layout. How? See, आप अपनी मर्जी से you can set out the width and height of your columns. जैसी आपको चाहिए वैसा करके save it and close it. Now, here you can see हमने अपने title दिया था my report. just double click on it and open it. Now see, it's our data, है ना, हमने टेबल में स्टार्टिंग में फीड किया था. This is the proper layout of the report. You can get it printed and put it on the table wherever required. Fine. This is how the reports can be done. This is for today which we want to have. Now if you all have any of the query, please do let me know.